What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm here obviously at my usual Timmy spot. There's no one here right now, so I'm gonna seize the opportunity to do this little install. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. So if you saw the video, you know that the car is gonna get a little minor cosmetic upgrade that has function as well. Yeah, forgive me, the car is a bit dirty. I park underneath a tree, so yeah. So what I got basically is rain guards for the car. I never had a car with rain guards actually, so this is going to be the first time I've ever had something like that. Oh my god, that is a really nice Mark IV Jetta right over there. Try and zoom in, but damn. Anyways guys, so I'm going to try and do this. It's going to be hard to film, but I'll try and do step by step. Undid all the tape. I forgot to mention, if you can see by the tape right here, got it off of Rock Auto. It's gonna be a smoke style of, oh, more boxes, hold on. I got it out of the other box just to find out that there's another box. But yeah, this is what I got basically. It's a smoke style, so it's gonna look nice. And it's by AVS, if you guys can't read that. So yeah, it'll look really nice, I think. Let's get this open and finally get cracking on this stupid install. My god. Guys, so I just wiped this down with, they come with like their alcohol like pads. You just wipe the surface you're gonna apply and then remove the 3M tape. And you're literally just gonna put it on following the line of your window. So let's do it. Yeah, Dave. So, yeah, he just came by. He's gonna come back again later, but literally just installed this part. It's actually really easy. Just the 3M tape is actually really sticky. Like, you have to get it one shot, or else you're gonna have to realign it. And it's but it's on there good. It's definitely not leaving anytime soon. But as you can see, it doesn't clip inside like I thought it would or something weird like that. It's literally along the line of your window. So just if you guys know, if you get this AVS kit, that's what to expect. So let's do the rear, so then we can do a comparison of this side versus none. So here is the little alcohol like cloth thingy that they give you. Literally just wipe down. It's like a quick, like, you know, just to make sure that the tape, the 3M tape, just sticks pretty well onto this plastic here of the door frame. But yeah, you just wipe it down, and then after you just apply the other piece of this kit. So this is essentially what it looks like. So as you can see, there is a bit of a gap, obviously, because you have to open the doors, but it doesn't complete all the way down here. I don't know if other rain guard kits do this, but for this car, the Fiesta specifically, it literally just runs through where it has to be, where the window is, and then it cuts off completely. I think it looks pretty cool. Obviously, there's a lot of the flat black that's here, but it is what it is. That's the way that the windows run on these cars. So I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. I never had a car that has this, and honestly, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process on the other side, but just for perspective. This side with the kit on, this side without. I mean, I think it kind of adds a little bit to the bland black trim that's on these cars, at least, you know. So let's get started with the other side. Guys over there, they might come by, but yeah, so install is pretty much done. Kai's here, hello. Yeah, just realized he has the same thing on his Civic, so nice. But yeah, so there you go guys. This is the install. Hopefully it was somewhat educational. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and all that business. You know what to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. By the way, my car looks super dirty next to his. Yeah, I like. Oh, more people. Hello.